Hi guys, this is Nairobi City after work. You can see guys, I'm going back home after work, and this is the situation. Let me just show you how this city looks like. So thank you for coming, much appreciation. This is Moving Wheels. I really appreciate your support. Come with me as I show you these areas of Nairobi City. So guys, this is Nairobi for you, becoming better and better. So come with me as I show you great improvement on the city of Nairobi and becoming quite amazing, quite beautiful. So I'm taking this video in the evening. This is after work. So we are around Haile Selassie Avenue near COP main headquarters, COP Bank, near the place they normally call bomb blasts. So Nairobi looks amazing. Yeah. So one of the key things you'll notice that young people have taken over the streets to take great photos, and of course they cannot take these great photos if the city is not looking the way it is. So with the city getting better and better, so when the city is quite beautiful and clean, then people are attracted to take photos. And so you can see young people stationed in different places to make sure that they capture good photos. So what do you think of these young people really taking over the streets to make a living in a very genuine way? This is quite nice. You know, when the streets are well kept, even the air is very fresh. Like now, the air is very fresh, very, very fresh. Quite amazing. The city is getting better and better, cleaner and cleaner. So you can see COP Bank opposite here. Yeah. This is amazing. So what do you think of Nairobi City? This video has been taken in 2025 around July. The weather has been very cold, but everything is lightening up. Well, you can see here, we used to have US Embassy here some times back, but now this is a memorial park. So this is where the US Embassy used to be, just across this fence. So you can see the county government has created some places where guys can sit and just relax, catch up with their friends. Yeah. These are the new dustbins, you can see. Okay, in the city. So I'm taking this video in the evening, around 5. Yeah. This is Nairobi City. Asante. Mambo. Uko poa? Unachukua video?
It's okay.
Okay. Mimi ni YouTuber.
Oh.
Eh.
Channel gani?
Inaitwa Moving Wheels.
Moving
Wheels.
Moving with
You can check it.
ni kuhusu?
No, ni kuhusu tu updates za different places. Kama Nairobi tuna update vile tunaendelea.
Oh, how they look.
Yeah. Like now, mostly tunaongea kuhusu some of these things you are doing here. Hizi vile mmejituma.
Oh, okay.
Eh.
Later?
Moving Wheels. Iko nini eh? Okay.
But mtaangalia.
Okay.
You get quite a number of views.
Yes, it is. It's kubwa kiasi. So you can tell guys to come here. Unajitaji?
Oh, St. Galleria. St. Galleria.
So guys, if you come here, you can get St. Galleria. You can get nice shots, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course. So search to St. Galleria on YouTube.
Okay.
And,
they will get
find samples of my work.
So they should come here in this. This is
Meet lovers.
Meet lovers, eh?
Yeah.
Sawa. I will also come. Thank you. So guys, that is one of the guys who is doing photo shoots here, and we really appreciate the good work they are doing. Guys, this is evening after work, so I want to show you some of the matatus. Quite so noisy. Nairobi is very interesting, eh? I believe they are working on this area. They should be making it more better and better. Look at these matatus, guys. Look at this. Some of the matatus, quite amazing. This is Nairobi for you guys. Matatus, different colors. I think Kenyan matatus are the most decorated. So these are the real streets of Nairobi evening. The matatus are really calling for passengers, so they want people to go. This is Quick Mart supermarket. Quick Mart. They must be very quick. These are the real streets of Nairobi. Evening. Thank you guys for coming. I think I need to end this video here. I think I've shown you a glimpse of how Nairobi City looks like. Here we have many people because so you can see here, guys, we are really, it's quite crowded because we're also having people selling their wares along the footpaths. So thank you guys for coming. This is the busy bar zone. The city of Nairobi. Kenyans are so hardworking. So hardworking. So hardworking. So guys, thank you for coming. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Let's continue moving together. Cheers guys.